Sefi, what you're mentioning, that you want to buy more real estate in the future, that's kind of another question that we have prepared for later on, if we can make it. The real power basically from buying one property, and that's also why we're saying the first property you want to buy, if your strategy is to buy multiple anyways, it doesn't have to be the 100% perfect property, yeah, exactly, which doesn't exist anyway, because if the property itself would be 100%, then it would be so expensive that it's not 100% anymore. Then you actually did it perfectly by get the first deal done, period. Get the first deal done, because then what's happening now, that your 200K property over the long term will continue to increase in value, and your loan will continue to go down, right? So you start at loan, property, you start both at 200, property goes up, loan continues to go down. And this discrepancy here basically is what we call free equity, which you can use later on. And then you can buy properties without down payment, without closing costs, because you can finance anything anyway, because you're so secure with the other properties. So congrats on securing the first deal, and I hope you can make it.
Congratulations. You know, I think the banks, the more properties you have, or even your first property, they will open their arms and say, okay, how much equity did you build in this months or years? They're going to give you a better budget for your primary home. And this is what usually also people come to us and say, oh, I'm not sure. Should I go for a primary home? Should I go for investment home? So yes, it makes more sense. Go first for your investment home. This will help you to achieve a better budget for your primary home one day. Because you don't know when you're going to move in. Because we have people coming saying, maybe in 1 year, maybe in 2 years. You don't know that. So you don't know yet, but you know you have the money sitting on the account. Just invest it into a smaller property. This will help you to get a better budget. And even the equity, they would kind of put it on top of your budget for your primary home. So it's just the first step, guys. It's just the first step.
Always
it's the hardest one. It's the hardest. The first step is the hardest, but if you get that, you will be kind of in a process looking for a second one. So it's just the first step. Yeah.
Small step for humanity, but a big step for Sefi.
Yeah. Amazing, Sefi. Congrats again.